powder review. Hey you guys, it's your girl OhJessBehave, and I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a review on the acrylic powder brand or nail product brand, Nail House. And y'all, this is me 100% real purchasing all of these powders, and I felt like I wanted to purchase from her for a long time because I watch her channel. So I decided to make a purchase. And y'all, today is a big day. I'm so excited about it. So I want to know how the powder works. I want to know how it feels. I want to know how it looks. I want to swatch it. I want to do all of that. So I want to do that with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera over, and we're going to go ahead and swatch these powders, and I'm going to give my honest opinion about them and show you guys how they look. So if you're, you know, considering purchasing powders and stuff like that, you should definitely watch this video and see if it's worth it. All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera because I'm really excited about this. Like, y'all, I picked some real cute colors. Let's get it. Like, so it's gonna turn into a voiceover, but don't fret not. You will see this face again, okay? Let's go ahead and get into this. So this is the first color, and it's called Pink Opal or whatever. And we're gonna go ahead and see how it looks. So I love when they give me the powders with the top on it like this, because that means that I can cover it up. If I'm not using it, I can just cover it back up and it won't go flying everywhere. So y'all, I love when people do that. So this is a glitter powder. So with glitters, I don't like to just apply like, you know, a super huge bead. I like to just build on glitter. So I'm just gonna apply it little by little. And then I'm just gonna add more according to what I feel like doing. Something real girly, or even if you wanted to do like some type of texture, I feel like it'll look really nice. But this is like a pink color, and yeah, that's what I was expecting from it. I needed this because I just need like pinks. I think it's really beautiful, so I'm gonna say I like it. Next color is Gold Rush, and I feel like I got this. I feel like I remember this color. It's like an all gold. Oh yes, that is beautiful. And I feel like it's a beautiful, y'all. Like I seen it on the site, and I was just like, this is really pretty. Like Christmas is coming up, and I was like, baby. This gold is really beautiful. I love it. This is like a 10 out of 10. This is Gold Rush, and I feel like this is so beautiful, y'all. So freaking cute. All right, so the next color is Tangerine. So you guys, this is like a real nice like creamsicle, dreamsicle looking orange. And y'all know I'm doing it on this practice nail, so I'm just dragging it because I'm just trying to get the color on here. But yes, y'all, I love this color. I feel like it's so freaking beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. I cannot wait to use this. This is cute. Like, it's like the perfect orange because I'm not really a fan of orange like that. This is like a different color. It's calm, but at the same time, it's like, wow, like what color is that? Like if I seen this on somebody, I would ask them like what color this was because it's that cute. And y'all, I'm just gonna put it right here so you guys can see it. This is a really cute color. I can't wait to use this. And by the way, these powders feel like butter, y'all. Like it took nothing for me to apply it. You guys just seen it. It took nothing. So I definitely think that you guys should invest in these. All right, so the next color is gonna be Pink Matter. This is a nice pink, like a soft, yes. It looks like the packaging. Like that type of pink. Oh yes, and y'all, do y'all see how this thing just moves? I know that ombre and stuff is gonna be a breeze. I love a powder that follows my directions because I'm one of those people who get like bead anxiety. Like I'll apply the bead and then just get so nervous where I'm pressing too hard on it or whatever. So I love acrylic powders that like don't fight with me or don't like dry up too fast, so I can be able to manipulate it and do what I need to do to deliver a good set. So yeah, y'all, if the powder's soft, I'm definitely gonna let y'all know. And this has passed my flexibility test, okay? And I don't see any marbling or any of that. And that's another thing that I look for. I already know. This is so freaking cute. All right, so the next color is gonna be 24 Karat. And the other one was Gold Rush, and I needed some golds, y'all, so I decided to get some. I feel like you just can't go wrong because there's so many different shades of gold and stuff like that. So I just feel like I can't go wrong buying this. Go ahead and apply a bead real quick. Y'all see that? It's so freaking gorgeous. Oh my god. So with this, it's a glitter, so I'm just gonna apply it and move it around. I don't want it to stay in one place. I want to spread it out as much as possible on my swatch stick at least. And then after that, we can go ahead and just see how it looks. So this is how the 24 karat gold looks. And this is really, really pretty. I feel like it's really nice and just classic. Like, it looks amazing. I love it. I honestly, truly love it. This color I'm really excited about because I saw this and I was like, I have to get it. This was like one of the first ones that I knew by head that I needed to get before it sold out. So this is the color Mystic Blue, and it's so freaking cute, y'all. Oh my god, it's so cute. Y'all, I'm really feeling like I have to use this like immediately. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god. Y'all, I absolutely love this mix. It's so like dreamy. I love it. And y'all can't even see it that well on the camera, but when I flip it over, you guys are gonna be able to see it. Ooh, she is cute. All right, so the next color is gonna be a Laffy Taffy. Yes, okay. And they don't dry up really quick, and I love that because I hate powders that dry up really fast. So y'all, this is the color pink Laffy Taffy, and I'm just gonna compare it to the Pink Matter really quick so you guys can see the difference. This is how it looks, y'all. This is Pink Matter, which is like a darker pink, and then this is a lighter pink. But y'all, imagine these two ombre together. Vibes, okay? All right, but yeah, you guys, so the next one is gonna be Cotton Candy. All right, y'all, so we're gonna just swatch this so I can see it. All right, this is so cute. And y'all may think like, oh my god, you have too many glitters or whatever. Like, oh my god, no. With glitters, you can do so much with them. And different background colors for glitters like can be suffice for different nail sets. And I feel like I need every glitter possible because nails is something that you're just gonna always be like creating things with. And y'all, this is beautiful. This is almost like the Mystic Blue, but it's just a pink version, but a little bit like more dainty, like lighter, not too strong. So I feel like this would be pretty in like an opal nail or something of that nature. Or even if I'm putting this glitter on top of another color, y'all, this is gonna go crazy, okay? This is beautiful. The Cotton Candy, you guys can see what I'm talking about. The Mystic Blue has like, you know, a little bit more, but this one is still like a pretty, like nice, girly, you know, it's just so pretty. Okay, so the next powder is called Mellow. And I knew I would like this because of the type of yellow that it is. Oh my god. And I just love the way her colors ombre into each other. That's another thing that I'm starting to look for in acrylic powders, how it ombres with other colors, because if the powder is just too hard or just marble is really bad and doesn't like show up, it can cause like some huge problems when you're creating a set. So if you have like a nice buttery formula on top of another buttery formula, then you create in butter, and then it's just like melted together and it creates like beauty. So it's all about the butter, okay? It's so like calming. Like this is the type of yellow that I would look at. Like I would want this color like to be a color on my house or something. Like, all right, y'all. So the next color is called Plum. Beautiful plum. And y'all, this ain't even the color of a plum. This is beautiful. But it is a nice, like, almost like a lilac, but like a deeper, but it's not like a plum. Like plums are really, really like dark, almost like burgundy looking. But this is like a beautiful purple. Oh my God, I know that I'm gonna be using this a lot. It's so cute. Like, look at that. Oh yes, yes, yes. All right, so the next color is a Buttercup, and y'all, this was another color that I was like, I need this color, because like there's so many different variations of nude and stuff like that, and I felt like this one is just, ooh, but these powders are nothing. Like, oh my gosh, like this was a pretty dry bead, y'all, and it still moves for me. Look at this, y'all. A nice nude, beautiful, yes. The color Goo, and this is, I remember this is the green. You should be subscribing to my channel. Like, it's about to get, oh my God, I can't even talk. Oh my God. Y'all, I'm definitely gonna go buy another one of these. Like, there's a couple of them that I'm gonna buy a double dose of, cause baby, this color is like the new lemon juice. It's better in my opinion. Like, this looks better. It's just loud, but still subtle, but still like loud, and a unique nail color, because I don't see people with this color on their hands. Like, y'all, I stay looking at people's nails. Now that I do nails, I be looking around like, let me see if your nail's cute. Definitely gonna use this next. I don't know what I'm gonna use it on, but it's getting used. Like, I love this color. This one is called a Candy Land, period. It's gonna be lit because I feel like I saw it on the nail online and I was like, oh, I gotta get that. So this one almost looks like the cotton candy vibe, but this one has a little bit more chunk to it. It has more going on, so I can appreciate that. And I do see like some yellow hues in here, and I really feel like I like that about it. Like, it's just, you know, a different type of vibe, but it's still a glittery vibe, you know? So I'm gonna put them side by side so that you guys can really see how they look, and then that can help you determine. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna put them side by side so that you guys can see how they look, and that can help you determine like which one you would want to purchase, or which one you feel like, you know, would be the best fit for you. So, but this one, I like it a little bit. I'm gonna say I like it a little bit more than the pink opal vibe. But I'm gonna show you guys all of the ones that I have so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Y'all should definitely invest into purchasing powders from this company. And y'all, when I tell y'all, when I come on here, if I speak on something, it's just my honest opinion, and it's just my opinion. I'm not saying that you have to take it and run with it. You can consider it because they have beautiful powders. The powders are amazing. They don't separate. They don't look crazy. They look nice. It's really unique. It'll really make your sets pop. And I feel like if you want to have a different, you know, aesthetic to your nails, then you should definitely consider purchasing from them. And this is just my honest opinion. If you go with it, then you know something. If you don't, then that's just your personal choice. I mean, we're not going to argue about it, right? But be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which color was your favorite. And comment down below if you guys have any ideas, or tell me what colors that you guys think I should use in the next set, or any ideas. Follow me on Instagram at OhJessNails. Subscribe to my channel. But see you guys next time. Bye. Well, y'all check out my nails. You know I got to show these off on every video, because if I don't do it, who will? Y'all see my Edward Scissorhand nails, y'all? I'm about to upload a tutorial on these nails. So be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.